A Haridwar court granted bail to Dasna Devi temple chief priest and Hindutva leader Yati Narsinghanand on Tuesday in the controversial Haridwar Dharma Sansad hate speech case of December last year. Additional District and Sessions Judge Bharat Bhushan Pandey granted bail to Narsinghanand after a virtual hearing in the case on Monday. The bail has been granted to Narsinghanand with certain conditions. The court has asked him not to deliver any speech which can disrupt social harmony. It said he will not intimidate the witnesses in the case directly or indirectly, nor would go abroad without the court's permission. Narsinghanand will, however, stay in jail in connection with another FIR registered against him for allegedly making derogatory comments on women from a specific community.